How to fix sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers in Roblox. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers in Roblox. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and running at a reasonable speed. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can help resolve network connectivity issues. Now, visit Roblox's official status page to see if there are any issues with their servers. Next, open Command Prompt for Windows or Terminal for Mac and type ipconfig/flushdns, which is for Windows, or sudo kill all-hup am DNS responder for Mac to clear the DNS cache. Change your DNS server to a faster one, such as Google's DNS 8888 and 8844 or Cloudflare's DNS 1111. After that, reset your network settings to default and restart your device. Uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app to clear any corrupted data. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.